Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Generative AI of Photoshop Beta, and this is me Farid Fana, your friend, guide and instructor in this channel. In this video, we're gonna change some outfits of our photos, or if you wanna put some formal clothes on ourselves or any party clothes or Superman outfit. First of all, I need to select clothing area of the body. I think I'm going pretty well. Yeah, it is selected. Formal shirt. Okay, the shirt is good, but I don't look like that. Let's change the variation. Let's see how the other outfits looks. Nope, none of them works for me. Or maybe the image I have is not that well. Formal outfit. Okay, not bad. It looks good, but I'm not that big in this area. Let's see the other variations. This one is also okay. I think I would stick with the first one. Okay, let's change the pant. Right, formal pant. It's okay, but my thighs are smaller. I don't have that thin thighs. Let's check for the other variations. This one is okay. Nope. This one is no. The first one. Okay, let me select bigger area. I would like to stick with this one. So this is how I can change my outfit of this photo. Let's select this area and write red jacket. Okay, now you're talking. Not that bad. It looks really good. Let's change the next one. It's not red, but the outfit is good. Yeah, this one is awesome. I'm gonna save this one. If you do not have any money to buy expensive jackets or to wear something nice, you can just edit these things. I'm not wearing that good outfits, but I can now apply Generative Fill on my photos and wear something awesome. Let's play with this one. Same, red jacket. The jacket is okay, but it's not red. Nope, not red. No red jacket. This jacket is nice, but it is not red. Same, let me generate it once again. Okay. This one is nice too. Let's just change this one. Let's select white shirt, t-shirt with green jacket. Okay, white t-shirt with green jacket. I didn't tell them to put this necklace on my neck, but they did it. This one also look good. You see a third one. The third one is also fine. If I change the green jacket to brown jacket to match the cowboy hat I have. Yeah, it matches very well. Next one, it is good too. Third one. So this is how you can change your outfit in your photos. Just select it, take your lasso tool to your selections and write whatever you want, whatever clothes you want to put on your body. So I hope you guys understood how this thing works in your Generative Fill, and let's see you guys in another video. Same thing again, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends and spread the knowledge.